On today's how-to, we're going to show how to move Chase Ultimate Rewards points from one account to another within your own accounts, and also from one account to another across your household from one person to another.
Yeah, this isn't necessarily intuitive, but it's also not difficult once you know how to do it. So, first up, you're going to log into your credit card account and then click on the card that you have Ultimate Rewards points with and hit redeem next to your points total. And that's going to bring you to a page that looks like this, where you can see your points balance and it gives you options to shop gift cards, book travel, etc. Under the drop-down Manage Rewards, if you click the down arrow next to Manage Rewards, the last option is Combine Points. So you'll click there where it says Combine Points. All right, and so then once you get to the Combine Points page, you're going to see cards on the from side and to side that are within your login. So if you've got multiple Ultimate Rewards cards in that login, then you'll be able to just check the boxes next to the card you want to transfer from and the card you want to transfer to. For instance, I could transfer from my Ink Plus card on the left to my Freedom Unlimited card on the right because I have both of these linked to the same login. Now, if you have business and consumer cards, it's possible you might have separate logins for those. And in that case, I think you will have to call in order to link those accounts up to combine points if you have them under separate logins. But all the cards within a single login, very easy. Check the boxes for the two that you want to combine, hit next, and just enter how many points you want to move. It's very simple. It's an easy process. Similarly, if you want to combine points with a household member, you'll have to call Chase one time in order to get that set up. And then once you do, you'll be able to combine to them. For instance, you'll notice that I have a card here that doesn't actually show the card art image. That is one of my wife's cards. That's her Sapphire Reserve card. And so I could move points from my, say, Ink Plus card to her Sapphire Reserve, or maybe I would want to move my points from my ultimate, or my, rather, from my Chase Freedom Unlimited card to my wife's Sapphire Reserve so that we can use them for better value with her Sapphire Reserve, or maybe transfer to one of her loyalty accounts. And so again, same process. I could move as little as the 38 points that I have in that particular account, and it'll ask me to review on the next page. And then I just hit submit. It's a really simple process to do, and it's instant. Once you hit submit, the points are moved over. Now, I'll add to this that occasionally people get tripped up with an additional security protection where you may have to call Chase in order to get a code to enter for this to go through. It's not common, but it does happen from time to time. So if you run into that, you'll just have to call Chase in order to get that code to finalize the transfer. But for the most part, I've always been able to move my points very simply just by going, again, to manage rewards and then combine points in order to combine points between your own Ultimate Rewards cards or with someone else in the same household.